How to convert low-quality video into 4K HDR in CapCut PC. So let's get started. The first step is to drag or import the file to the timeline that we would like to edit. In this case, I will edit a video. And let's start performing the adjustments. To do that, on the upper left-hand side of CapCut, click on Adjustments tab. Hold and drag the Custom Adjustment option. Now let's focus on adjusting them. On the upper right-hand side of CapCut, you will see various adjustment options. For now, let's perform adjustments on curves. Follow what I do here for Luma and RGB colors. The adjustments might look ugly at first, but trust the process. This is a crucial step to get an adjusted overlay of the video. Once you've done adjusting the curves, let's go back to the upper left-hand side of CapCut and select the Effects tab. Select Video Effects, Lens, find the blur effect, and drag it to the timeline. After which, make sure to slide the added adjustments to fit the entire video. Once done, select Export. Once it is finished exporting, click Cancel and go back to the project. Now, we are almost done. Just delete the adjustments that we have just added, go to the Media tab again, drag or add the video that we have just exported, drag the adjusted video into the timeline. On the upper hand side, click on the Video tab. Click on Basic and check the Blend option. Set the mode to Color Burn and set the opacity at around 30. On the Option tab again on the upper left hand side, click Media. Under Library, click on the search bar, type in white, limit the type to photos. Drag the photo and fit to the entire video. Set the overlay and the opacity at around 80. Let's add a new adjustment by dragging it to the timeline. Now, on the right side, under Basic Adjustments, adjust the following accordingly. Here are the presets I used for this video. You may adjust your presets accordingly. You can adjust them however and whichever you feel like. But with all of these adjustments, let us see the difference. Let us look first at the original video. Now, the 4K HDR video. Isn't that so much better? Now, that is how you can easily turn your normal photo or video into a 4K HDR using CapCut. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.